You can do this one sitting in the chair, or you can do it sitting on the ground. I'm actually going to move to the floor for this one, but you can stay in the chair and just do the same position with the feet sitting in the chair. So if you're going to sit on the floor, bend your knees, take your feet out in front of you, and your hands are on the ground for a little bit of a support. And actually, before we do that, just sit up tall and lift your chin and notice how far you can lift your chin, what your range of motion is, how far you can see on the ceiling, and how the back and front of the neck feel. And then bring your head back to neutral. If you're on the floor, lean back into your hands a little bit behind you. If you're on the chair, just stay sitting up tall. And then you're going to start to slide 1 foot forward, keeping the foot pointed. So the moment the toes start to pop up off the floor, that's as straight as you'll go. And then rock up to your heel. And then squeeze your toes like you're making a fist with your toes. And then point the foot, slide the foot back. And then lift the 5 toes up and spread them, but keep the ball of the foot down. And then relax. And we'll do that 2 more times with the left leg. So slide that left foot forward, the ankle points, the toes point, rock up to the heel. Keep the ankle in that position and squeeze the toes forward like a fist. And then point the toes back down towards the floor, slide the foot back. And then lift up the 5 toes, but keep the ball of the foot down and the heel down. And then relax. And then 1 more on that side. Left foot slides out with the pointed foot and toes. Rock up to the heel. Squeeze the toes like you're picking up a marble or a small stone. Point the foot again. Slide it back. And then lift up the 5 toes. Keep the ball of the foot down. And relax that side. And we're going to do 3 times on the right leg. So the right foot slides out. Or if you're in the chair, you're doing the same movement. Rock up to the heel. Squeeze the toes like a fist. Repoint the whole toe and ankle. Slide the foot back. And then lift the 5 toes up. Keep the ball of the foot down, heel down. And then relax the toes. 2 more times. Slide it out, point. Up to the heel, dorsiflexion. Squeeze the toes. Repoint the ankle and the toes. Slide the foot back. Lift the toes up. Relax it. And then last time, slide it out with the ankle pointed, rock up to the heel, squeeze the toes, repoint the toes, slide it back, lift the 5 toes up, and relax. And now get your weight out of your arms, sit up tall again, whether you're in the chair or on the floor. And then once again, slowly lift the head and see, oh my gosh, if anything changed. As you can tell by my reaction, my range of motion changed drastically. And then back to neutral. Again, not everybody has a big shift when they do that one. Some people have a drastic shift. I might do it again tomorrow morning and not much will happen.